Let's be honest, ang daming brain rot content ngayon. Endless scrolling, mindless videos, negativity everywhere, and it's slowly destroying your focus, joy, and purpose. But God gave us the secret to real success, and it's the total opposite of brain rot. Joshua 1:8 ang sabi, meditate on the word day and night, then you will make your way prosperous and have good success. Yung meditate dito sa Hebrew ay haga, meaning to chew, to mutter, to speak softly, to replay in your mind. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang pagbabasa, pag-uulit, pag-iisip, pagsasalita, until it transforms your mind. Brain rot steals your attention. The word restores your direction. Brain rot drains you. The word strengthens you. Brain rot gives anxiety. The word gives good success. Yung success na may peace, purpose, at presence ni God. If you fill your mind with trash, you live a trashed life. But if you fill your mind with truth, you live a transformed life. So today, my friend, choose faith over brain rot. Choose truth over noise. Declare this today. I meditate on God's word. That's why I walk in good success. Comment mo dyan, no more brain rot. I choose God's word. Like, subscribe, and share para mas maraming Pilipino ang magising sa true success God's way. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.